Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change or customize the app menu on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the Chrome button. Once you wake up the screen, press the Chrome button again to open the menu. And this is the app menu and we can change it a little. To do it, press and hold on one of the icons to open the editing mode, and here we can do two things. We can remove the icons from the list, but if you remove the icon from the list, it will basically uninstall application from your watch. And another thing you can do is to move the icons around. You can change the order of the icons. If you want to remove the icon and basically remove the app from your watch, tap on the icon, tap on delete app, and it will be removed. If you want to change the order of the icons, press and hold on the icon you want to move and then drag it to the place that you want it to be in. And once you in the place you want the icon to be release the icon to drop it like that. Another thing you can do is to change the layout of the menu. You can basically tap on list view right here at the bottom to change it to the list view if you want to. And if you want to change it to grid view, you can tap on grid view. Okay, and that's how you change or customize the app menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.